What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jeanette back with another YouTube video. And as you can tell by today's title, today I'll be putting in knotless braids with a blue peekaboo. Y'all know what it is. Pictures. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking about putting a heart on the side, either side, but it depends on how the braids actually turn out. So without further ado, let's get into this thing. Alright guys, the first thing you're gonna need is a comb. Obviously, like, the part's gotta be pertinent. Then your jam/edge control. That's what I use. It like smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. And then we got the hair. You know, I always get a small pack of hair, usually Spectra, and then I always get a long 60 or 30 inch. But I got black and blue, and I'm gonna come back when it's all parted. Alrighty, y'all see the parts? The parts are, you know, they aight. But now let's go ahead and get this hair together. You know, I always start off with the short hair first. And by the way, y'all, with these parts, I had to ask my dad for help, y'all. Like, y'all, I was struggling so much. I was like, Dad, come part my hair real quick. I need help. And he was just getting ready to leave out too. But at the bottom, at the first part, there's going to be 4 braids. So I'm going to be doing the brick method. Basically, I always do the brick method. I always like that one. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this video. Like, what? Alright, y'all, so first I'm going with the blue hair first, obviously, because if y'all can't tell, but the back of my hair is blue. Well, it was blue, but you know, it faded, so it's now a bit green, which is totally okay. And once the braids come out, I will, hold on, because I was really feeling myself because them inches was inching, okay? But I will re-dye my hair, obviously, but that's not even, oh my god, y'all. Just enjoy the video. Okay, y'all. Now, it's been some time parting, so I'm gonna come back with 4 braids are done. Alright, y'all, it's time to get back to business. Now the second row is going to be black. I'm going to start off with black and then I'm going to add blue to the ends. So, you know, like blue can be more cooperated throughout this whole hairstyle, y'all. But like this video is just going to be me braiding, parting, hair flying everywhere, be drained. Okay. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna call y'all back. Y'all better answer this phone call too. Y'all better be ready when I'm done the third row. Okay, a little speed jump. Okay, y'all, so it is officially the next day, and at this moment, I'm just over it. I'm just over it. And now I'm just taking the hair out, and we're about to get ready. We're about to get this front done. We about to get this front done, okay? That's what we about to get done, all right? Oh, right here, I was just making some type of impulsive decision, y'all. I wouldn't lie. So right then and there, I decided to put this one front row full with blue. Okay, that's what I'm doing, y'all. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Hold on, y'all, because are y'all ready? I don't really think y'all ready. Are y'all actually ready? Like, are you ready? Are you sure? Subscribe to my channel if you're sure. But here. Okay, guys. I'm done. Period. I'm happy. It's not perfect. Like, can nobody get perfect? Okay? Okay. Practice makes improvement. Period. But yeah, I'm done. See the edges, okay. Okay, that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, let me know how I did on these braids, okay? Let me know. Because I think I did a pretty good job. I say so myself, okay? So how about y'all do me a favor, right? How about y'all like, comment, and subscribe? Okay, that's enough. But, you know, here go me. Ew.